हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। कंप्यूटर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में आज हम लोग बात करेंगे सीएनसी मशीन्स के बारे में। सीएनसी मशीन, व्हाट आर द सीएनसी मशीन एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ द सीएनसी मशीन, मशीन मीट कंप्यूटर। तो सबसे पहले हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं। तो जो जॉन टी पैरिसन थे 1913 से 2007 में, और पैरिसन कॉरपोरेशन इन अ Traverse City, MI is considered the pioneer of the numerical control, the precursor of the modern CNC machine. For his work, John Pearson has been called the father of the second industrial revolution, or he needed to manufacture complex helicopter blades and quickly realized that the future of manufacturing was connecting machines to the computer. Connecting machine to the computer. Today, CNC manufacturing parts can be found in the almost every industry. Because of CNC machine, we have less expensive goods, stronger national defense and higher standard of living that is a possible in a non-industrialization world. In this article, we will explore the origins of CNC machine, different types of CNC machine programs, and common practices by CNC machine shops. Machines meet computer. In 1946, the world computer means punch card operated calculation machine, and even through the Pearson Corporation had only made one propeller before the John Pearson convinced Sikorsky helicopter that they could produce extremely precise templates for propeller assembly and manufacturing. He ended up inventing a punch card computer method to calculate points on a helicopter router plates, and then he had operators turn the wheels to those points on a kinetic milling machine, and he held a contest for the name of the new process gave a $50 to the person of who coined numerical control, yeah, NC. This is the further this is a diagram of CNC machine. Figure out this is the panel of CNC machine panel. तो आगे फर्दर बात करते हैं। इन 1958 he filed a patent to connect the computer to the machine, or his patent application जो arrived 3 months before MIT, who has working on the concept of he studied MIT is used to the spans to the equipment of Mr. Pearson license is sub-licensed for the IBM. NC जो concept था was slow to catch on account of Mr. Pearson, the peoples are discussed instead of manufacturing people. What is a CNC मशीनिंग? CNC मशीन की बात करते हैं तो CNC machines are making parts around the world for almost every industry, and we create things our plastic, metals, aluminum, wood, and many other materials. The word CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, CNC. So, how do you define CNC machine or all automated motion control machine? Of three primary components: a command function, drive and motion system, and feedback system. CNC machine is a process for using a computer driven machine tools to produce a part out of solid materials in a different parts. Then CNC depends on the digital instruction usually made for computer manufacturing or computer design software like SolidWorks or Mastercam, and the software writes G code that the controller on the CNC machine can read. Computer program on the controller interrupts the design and moves cutting tools and on workpiece या multiple access to the cut desired shape for the workpiece. जो बात करते हैं आगे, जो ऑटोमेटिक कटिंग प्रोसेस होता है इज मस्ट फास्टर होता है और मोर एक्यूरेट होता है देन अ मैनुअल मूवमेंट ऑफ टूल्स और वर्क पीसेस का, विच इज़ डन विद द लीवर्स और gears on older equipment के through. Modern day CNC machine hold the tools to making many types of cuts, number of planes of movements, and the number of types of tools that the machines can access automatically during the machining process determine how connect workpiece on a CNC lathe. How to use a CNC machine? CNC machine is must gain skills on both programming and metalworking to make the full use of power. A CNC machine or technical trade schools and apprentice program often start students on manual to get feel for how to cut metal, and the machinist should be able to envision of all three dimensions. Type of software commonly used in the CNC machine process: computer aided drawing, computer aided manufacturing. कंप्यूटर एडेड ड्राइंग की बात करते हैं तो कंप्यूटर एडेड ड्राइंग सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द मोस्ट CNC प्रोजेक्ट, और देयर are many different CAD computer aided drawing software packages, but all use creator design. Popular CAD programs include AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and further these are the cloud based CAD solution, and some offer CAM abilities, integrate the with CAM software better than others. Computer manufacturing की बात करते हैं तो CNC machine often we use program to create a CAM software. CAM allows user to set up job tree to organize workflow, set up path tools. तो CNC machine often use program created by CAM software. CAM allows करता है user to set up करने के लिए job tree to organize workflow और set up tools the path for cutting simulations before the machines does any real cutting, and its CAM program work as add-on to CAD software and generate G code that tells the CNC tools and the workpiece moving parts where to go. Wizards in a CAM software make it easier than even to program in a CNC machine. Popular CAM software include Mastercam, Eagle, HCAM on CNC, HSM work, and SolidCams, Mastercams, and further HCAM account for the almost 50% of the high-end CAM market according to the 2015 report. Thanks for watching and sharing.